Ready to look 10 years younger? These 20 modern shags will transform you. Classic shaded shag with wispy bangs. This style is ideal for women with square face shapes, as the textured side framing layers beautifully soften angular jawlines. Edgy razor-cut short pixie shag. Perfect for those with fine hair seeking maximum volume. This short crop lifts the crown and draws attention upward. Voluminous shoulder-length curly shag. An excellent choice for naturally wavy or curly hair, as the deliberate layering prevents a bulky, triangular shape. Soft textured bob shag with curtain bangs. This face framing style beautifully complements oval and round faces by elongating the neck and defining the cheekbones. Long layered wolf cut shag. Ideal for women who want to retain their length while eliminating heavy weight, keeping a youthful and free-spirited vibe. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Wispy feathery shag for fine hair. Designed specifically to make thin hair appear dense and full through strategically placed lightweight, wispy layers. Choppy cropped shag with side-swept bangs. This asymmetrical look helps balance prominent foreheads and brings an immediate youthful, modern energy. Salt and pepper messy shag. Embraces natural silver tones while adding heavy texture, eliminating the flat look often associated with graying hair. Tousled shag with piece-wide layers. Great for active women who want a wash-and-go style that looks effortlessly chic with just a bit of texturizing spray. Mid-length silver transition shag. The perfect transitional cut for blending out old dye while gracefully embracing natural silver hair with movement. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Soft razored shag with micro bangs. A bold, fashion-forward choice for women with petite facial features, opening up the face while keeping an edgy touch. Heavily layered shaggy bob. Provides an immediate lift to thick, heavy hair by thinning out the bulk while preserving a stylish, rounded silhouette. Bright blonde shag with pointed layers. Excellent for creating a sunny, energetic look that brightens the complexion and expertly masks gray regrowth. Wavy lob shag with long face framing. Flattering for diamond face shapes, as the long side layers soften sharp cheekbones and add width around the jaw. Textured shag with deep side part. An excellent trick for creating the illusion of asymmetry and instant height at the root for a modern, lifting effect. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Sleek straight shag with pointy ends. Perfect for women with naturally straight hair who want a modern style without relying on curling irons. Wispy shag with wispy curtain bangs. Perfect for softening narrow foreheads and drawing attention to the eyes with a romantic, weightless frame. Voluminous cropped pixie shag. Great for active seniors who want a very low-maintenance cut that naturally retains crown volume all day long. Shaggy layered bob with choppy fringe. A great solution for heart-shaped faces, as it creates balanced volume near the jawline to counter a pointy chin. Edgy shag with soft side-shaved detail. For the ultimate bold transformation, this style adds an unexpected, youthful edge that looks incredibly chic with glasses. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.